if you have a problem with the Camtasia, every time you hit new record and actually it didn't do anything or didn't work, then you are in the right place, and today I will show you how to fix this problem. So first, find your Camtasia icon, and what you want to do is right click and click open file location. Find cam recorder and right click and click on properties and click on compatibility. Now click on send setting for all user, and what you want to do is check this, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and the last step is click on check run this program as an administrator. This one is very important, okay? This is going to solve the problem, and click OK. So I hope this should fix now, so let's see whether if it's fixed the problem or not. As you can see, it works perfectly. It shows the recording, so I hope this video solves the problem. If you have any issues, then please let me know in the comment section, and thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.